Woo! These pansies make me feel good. What's good, everybody? Today we are talking about pansies, and I'm hoping by the end of this video you're going to know everything there is to know about pansies, and you're going to be pansy ready this winter. Okay, so first off, pansies are great to plant this time of year. When all your summer stuff's kind of fizzled out, now's the time to plant pansies in the fall to go through winter, even into next spring. So here in zone 7, we like to plant these in the fall. They go through winter, spring, and by summertime we pull them up just because it gets too hot. They don't really have a lot of tolerance for heat. If you're in a colder zone like 4 or 5, some can even get these to go year round, but zones probably 6 through 8 or 9, we use them as annuals. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about just how versatile these things are and how many different colors these things come in. If you want to look right here, this is called yellow blotch. Very pretty. Here is a white and purple blotch. Here's a purple with a yellow eye. This is just a mix flat right here. It's just got all different types of colors in here. This one's really great for fall over here with the purple and orange. Probably our greatest seller, the most popular, is the yellow, just because in a landscape you can see these from a mile away. They really pop. They look really, really good if you mix them with purple. But they're just great because of all the different colors they come in. All right, next, let's talk about all the many uses of pansies. So like right here, we're showing these in flats or 6-packs. Around here, 6 of these is what makes up a flat. But that's really great if you have like beds that you're planting in, landscape beds. You space them out about 6 to 8 inches apart. You can do solid colors, you can mix the colors, but they really, really look good in the ground in a landscape bed. And let's say you don't have, a lot of space and you just want to plant them in containers. Well, you're in luck because they do really, really well in containers. These are some of the baskets we've made up. Now these are newly planted. These baskets will continue to fill out and look huge later on in the season. We like to put anywhere from 6 to 8 pansies per container. You can use them in planters. Let's say you got planters at home and you don't want it to look dead all winter. You don't want to just have empty planters sitting out in front of your steps. Well, pansies are great to fill those planters because they're going to give you color all winter long. There's really no better option. Some of the other planters we got over here are a little more decorative. And let's talk about violas real fast. This is confused with a pansy often, but really they're just like a mini bloom, basically a pansy, but they're just kind of on their own little separate family. But you can use violas as well. They look a lot like pansies. All right, so let's talk about how to care for pansies. Pansies, they love well-draining soil. They are easy to rot, so if you're planting in containers, just use all-purpose potting soil. If you're planting in landscape beds, just kind of make sure the soil's built up where it drains well. Pansies are also heavy feeders, so if you are planting in containers or hanging baskets, even when it's cold, you're freezing outside, you don't really feel like watering, keep them watered, and most importantly, keep them fed with something like a liquid feed. Something all-purpose. Miracle-Gro works well. Something with heavy nitrogen. Or if you're planting in landscape beds, it's really, really easy to throw down some Osmocote with it, some slow-release fertilizer. Or what we really like around here is this Biotone starter. You can pick this up at your local garden center, something similar. But basically what you do with this is mix it in the top 1 to 3 inches of your soil in your landscape beds. And this will keep them fed for a really, really long time. All right, folks, so there you go. It's not super complicated. Just have fun with it. Mix up the colors. There's really no wrong or right way to do this. Just make sure you put some out around your home for this winter when everything's looking kind of dull and dead. This is sure to add some cheer. Alright, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can get updates about every time we release a video, and believe me, we got more coming.